In this video, I'm going to show you the new Axiom Pro custom Twitter tracker. So it's actually a new feature and it's amazing. So in case you don't have an Axiom Pro account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now from here, once you have your Axiom Pro account, what you want to do is go to trackers up here. And then over here on the right, you will see your customized feed and Twitter alerts. Of course, you can go to customize feed over here and you can start adding handles. Now, to do this, you can see your list over here where you'll basically be able to see your handles you're following and the tweets, profile updates, actions, etc. Or you can click on top subscriptions and you're going to see the top subscriptions over here on the right. So as you can see, these are all the ones available. So there's a bunch of them. And if you want to essentially just add any of these to your list and start following it, you can just click this plus icon. So for example, you want to follow the big 5 over here, the top 5, you can just click plus on each and every single one of them. And if you go to my list, as you can see, they will be added. But that's not it. You can also search by them or add your own handles if you want to, which is always amazing. So you can click add handle over here and just enter in the username. So for example, you have a user on Twitter. Let's just go over here. I pulled up Elon Musk for an example. Of course, you can put in whoever you want to. You just need their Twitter handle, which you can find on their profile over here. So for him, it's Elon Musk. You want to copy this, go over here where it says enter username, paste that in, and simply press add. And just like this, it's literally that simple to add a handle over here. And then with each and every single person you're following on here on your list, you can hide tweets, you can hide profile updates, or you can hide follows if you want to, and of course delete them from the list if you want to as well by clicking this remove from list trash icon just like that. Now over here, you can then go to Twitter alerts, and then you can of course start tracking. You can add Twitter handles over here as well, and you'll be able to start tracking that way, which is amazing. Now, you can also access this anywhere once you're using Axiom. So let's say you're in the Discover tab, you can use the Twitter tracker down here. You just want to click on it and where it says start tracking accounts to see Twitter alerts. And you want to basically just click add Twitter handles. And it's going to take you over here anytime, and then you can start using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.